focus on your work? Is your phone constantly on red alert? Is your phone your only BFF? Is she high maintenance? Is this cycle inescapable? Here are some tips we recommend for beginners. Beginner tip 1, ringer off. On the left edge of your phone, you will find a small switch. If you move the switch towards the back of the phone, you will see orange. The ringer is now off. This means it will only vibrate for phone calls, texts, and notifications. Beginner tip 2, airplane mode. Press your home button, then slide up from the bottom of the screen. The control panel will appear. Tap the first button on the top row. Now airplane mode is on. This disconnects your phone from the network. Phone calls, text messages, and social media updates do not come through. Notifications and alarms will still interrupt you. Beginner tip number 3, timer. This will be the amount of time you focus on your work, perhaps 25 minutes, for example. Press your home button, then slide up from the bottom of the screen. Tap the second button on the bottom row. Select a duration. Afterwards, you can reward yourself with a 5-minute break. This is known as the Pomodoro technique. Here are some of our tips for advanced users. Advanced tip number 1, setting notifications. On your phone, in Settings, tap Notifications. When you select an app to customize, you can turn all notifications off for this app or customize the settings. Advanced tip number 2, setting Do Not Disturb. In Settings, go to Do Not Disturb. Here you can manually toggle and or schedule Do Not Disturb. When on, you see a moon to the left of the battery bar. You can also customize exceptions here. Alternately, in the control panel, you can toggle Do Not Disturb on or off. Advanced tip number 3, third-party apps. There are apps that will offer additional means to help you focus. There are apps for blocking access or time tracking. You can search for these on the App Store. The most influential people in the world learn to control their focus by attending to the things that matter most. We encourage you to use our tips to become the world-class talent you are called to be.